First, I'm going to do DMSB, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, and borrow. And so first, 21 we go to 51. 42, and then this will be 64. 60. And so we go in 2 twice. 2 equals 42. That's subtraction. And so first, we borrow from the 5. Equals 11, so go 1. 9, and then 0. We bring down the 4, and then again we just start multiple to see how much. Okay, 21, 32, 94. So 53, 80, 4, and then yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. So it's only got 4 times 84, 0, and 10. Bring on the 5. So you go 105, and then.
Eric, can I just stop you right there for 1 second? You're doing an amazing job. At the top, how many times does 21 go into 94?
4.
Okay, thank you.
So then we just are multiples. That would be 105. So yeah, 105, 0, 245.
So quick question.
Check your work.
If you were gonna check your work, what would you do?
Multiply.
Huh?
Multiply.
Multiply what?
5,145 times 21.
You sure?
21 times 240.
And what should you get as your answer?
5,145.
Clap it up for Eric, guys. So, just some quick feedback. I like the way Eric, he listed his multiples as he needed them. Did he list all 10 of them? No. He listed the first 3 because he know he needed them for the first 2 steps. And then he realized that he needed to list another multiple or 2, so then he went further. So I like the way you're being efficient with your time. Instead of wasting time listing all 10, because you didn't need all 10 of them, you just listed them as you needed it. And my only other next step is just make sure you don't forget to put the number on top, right? It was already once or twice that you probably almost forgot, but you corrected yourself. So that's great. Clap it up for Eric, guys.
Does he need to put the arrow?
Go, Scott, hey. Nice and loud.
First off, we're gonna write DMSB, which stands for divide and multiply, subtract and borrow or bring down. Then we're gonna like list our multiples to like don't forget. This one. Alright, I think that's good enough. Then we subtract it. 42 and 14 times 3 is 42. So I put the 3 up on the 5. And this equals 3. 14 can't go into 3, so I bring down the 0. 1, 2. This equals to 2, and I put the 2 on top of the 0. 14 can't go into 2, so I bring down the 8. And I subtract 28, and I got to 0, and this is also a 0. And that's the answer. But first we need to check our work.
Put a check.
That's correct.
Put a check next to that, my brother. Yes, sir. Clap it up for my boy Scott. Scotty! Scott, that was amazing, bro. That was amazing. I like how you were very descriptive in your explanation. Like you was like, 14 can't go into 3, so I have to go up and borrow that 0 and bring it down, make it 30. But then you was like, 14 can't go into 2, so I have to go next and borrow, bring down that 8, make it to 28. And that's really the reason why we're borrowing, right? So great job. Clap it up one more time for Scott.